Hello, hello. So today I wanted to show you guys these awesome infinity pencils. So they come in 3 colors. We have this light purple, we have this teal, and then we have this blue and pink. So I pulled out a purple one, and they also come with extra tips just in case you lose one or one breaks. So these are super cool because they are infinity pencils. They never ever run out of ink. And one thing I love about these is they are so much lighter compared to your normal number 2 pencil. So I'm going to draw a star and show you what the difference is. So here is what it looks like with just the infinity pencil. And then here's the number 2 pencil. I'm going to draw a star right next to it. Look how much harsher that is. So these are so nice. They won't bleed through your paper and they'll just go on and on forever. They're such a smooth writing utensil. I absolutely love them.